Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. A few years ago, I started doing a few water lily studies, paintings and drawings and sketches. And today I would like to paint that water lily painting for you. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it inspiring. Have a great day. Here I'm starting with a black background on the canvas and then building in some other layers of colors, sort of hiding them in the dark black, just to create a little bit more depth and a little more realistic background. These are just the rough shapes of the lily pads. Here I'm trying to add highlights with a wet brush and then a dry brush technique to create some depth and some highlights on the lily pads. Here we're finally beginning the rough structure of the water lily. You'll notice that I didn't use a pure white. I've blended the white with a few blue acrylic paints to create a very slight gray base for the flower. Now you can see that I'm adding the white highlights and they really stand out against the bluish gray base. Again, here we're using a wet brush to apply the acrylic paint and then a dry brush to blend it and to smooth it. This is a really nice technique for painting flowers, when you can see the depth in the flower petal and you're trying to create a very subtle transition in paint colors. I noticed on the bottom petals that there was still a little bit of a green hue to the petals, so I wanted to include that. Along with here, we're using a cadmium yellow to create the details inside the flower.